Welcome. This is how to back up BitLocker recovery key in Windows. So, guys, if you ever want to back up your recovery key, first is just simply go ahead and go to your start menu, and from here go for a BitLocker, search for it, and after that you should be able to see here manage BitLocker by control panel. So just simply go ahead and select that. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of your drives that are available. So, for example, I have a removable data drive over here. So you can just simply click on this drop down arrow. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and select turn on a BitLocker. And after that, guys, you will have here three options. You could either back up your recovery key to your Microsoft account, or you can save to a file which is inside your computer, or print the recovery key. So pretty much this will be depending on you, but let's say I'm gonna go for save to a file, and from here of course I'm gonna select a location, and it will be a text file as you can see. And when I select save, it should be saved on my computer. And that's pretty much it. That's how to back up BitLocker recovery key in Windows. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.